So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the beach wave. This is your traditional California curl. It's a look that's really in right now and everyone is wearing. Just a real loose, beautiful wave that is typically worn with a middle part or no bangs, but can totally be worn either way. And this is adorable in the long bob, which is really hot right now too. Okay, we're going to get into our tutorial. So you can do this look with anywhere from a 1-inch to a 2-inch iron or anything in between. So I'm going to begin by spraying her hair and combing it out so there's no tangles. I'm going to start both of my sections right next to the face, and I'm going to be turning my curls away from the face. I'm going to do this on both sides of the head. I'm going to be starting my curl as close to the scalp as I can get. And then I'm going to unwrap. This is similar to the dread wave in a couple of ways. That we're starting at the top, going back out, and all the way back in. I'm going to rotate between going all the way to the ends and leaving some of the ends out. And I'm going to be unwrapping before I unclamp. And I'm going to be adding in a couple of wraparound curls for dimension and a real beachy look. I'm going to be taking this section by the face, going all the way out, back in, and then unclamping as I unwrap. I'm going to do the same thing again. And then throwing in a wraparound curl. I'm going to just wrap the hair around 2 or 3 times and slide it back and forth to loosen up the wave. What's great about beachy waves is that you can take bigger or smaller sections. The curls are going to drop, so if your hair has a hard time holding curl, be sure to take smaller sections and maybe use a smaller iron. All the way back in, all the way back in. And I'm going to go all the way to the ends, untwist, and unclamp. Now I'm adding in a little wraparound and sliding back and forth. That section by the face, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out. And I'm untwisting as I'm unclamping. Starting at the top, away from the face, going back out and all the way back in, leaving a little bit of the ends out. And I'm untwisting as I'm unclamping. Going to throw in a wraparound curl. I'm going to wrap around twice, slide back and forth 3 to 4 times. This will give us a nice loose wraparound curl. And it'll add dimension between the different types of curls. This is a great way to do fast curls. Loose waves are beautiful and very quick to do. Which is why they're one of my favorite ways to curl my hair. With curling, it's the little tweaks that make each curl have a different look. And we're not gonna break them up until the curls are completely cooled off. Okay, then we're gonna use our cat claw method and break up your curls. Beautiful beachy California wave.